Welcome to Illuminate Their Learning, a resource built to empower Christian educators, counselors, and church leaders with practical biblical tools for transformational teaching and discipleship. Illuminate's Dr. Joseph Hunter is an educational leader with over 36 years of experience in public and Christian education. He has worked in university classrooms and has trained teachers, administrators, and other leaders. A published researcher and award-winning scholar, Dr. Hunter has helped train hundreds of believers interested in biblical counseling, discipleship, and active learning strategies. He currently serves as an elder at Emmanuel Baptist Church in Mount Vernon, Washington. Illuminate's Dr. Dave Robinson spent 25 years in public education as a teacher and administrator before becoming Director of Counseling and Discipleship at Grace Bible Church in Bend, Oregon. He now leads counseling trainings, builds church-based ministries, and shares his passion for Christ-centered care and community. He and Dr. Hunter have been training others in active learning strategies for more than 2 decades. Dr. Hunter and Dr. Dave, who are both ACBC certified biblical counselors, are here to help you teach with clarity, counsel with conviction, and lead with purpose wherever God has placed you. Explore the resources, join the journey. Let's illuminate their learning together.